Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how Camera Pro Mode looks on the ZTE Blade A53 Pro. So to open the Camera Pro Mode you have to open the camera application and then select Pro. Right now let's focus on this bottom bar. So first we can find the exposure compensation. As you can see, we can set this parameter between -3 and +3, and that's the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. When you move for the next one, that's the shutter speed, and as you can see right here it's automatic adjustment, but also we can set it manually. Next it's the focus range. Here we can find ISO. The next, it's the white balance with the few presets and also the manual adjustment. Here we can adjust the saturation and the contrast. And also by tapping on at the top, we can switch the matrix metering. So as you can see, that's all for the Camera Pro Mode on this smartphone. Hope you like it.